इसका नाम है बसंती धन्नो। इसका सबसे पहले इसका नाम इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं। इसका नाम है बसंती धन्नो। इसको ना हम लोगों ने बेसिकली जो आइडिया जो इसके लिए लिया था ना, वो हमने शोले मूवी से लिया था। उसके अंदर बसंती की जो धंधो थी, उसका सराहनीय काम देख करके हमने इसको डिजाइन करने की सोची। क्या हम आपको फीचर्स और स्पेशल फीचर्स दिखाते हैं। इसके लिए हमें बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी। स्पेशल फीचर्स में सबसे पहले आता है फ्यूल टैंक। इसके अंदर यू नीड टू सिंपली लोड योर टॉयलेट एंड इट विल वर्क लाइक एनीथिंग। इट विल गेट द स्पीड ऑफ supersonic Mach 2. And please take it from this angle. This is its bedroom. You can sleep in here and give a pose like that. And now please focus on the wheels. These are specially designed wheels. You can inflate them with air. Hey, you know, with air. Just by simply blowing air from your mouth. You can, come here. You can inflate these airs now. These tires with simply blowing air from your mouth. You can inflate them from your mouth only. Now come here. Look at this is special. This is another. This is another mechanism from which I can fill petrol. Okay. This is for petrol. That was for toilet. Okay. Now please come here. This is our storeroom. We used to store our bullets and people and all those. No? We used to store them in here. It's a very nice, no? Look. They are so much comfortable inside. And now please come here. And this is a specially designed sheet from us. Yes, okay. This is a specially designed sheet. If bullets come, na?
What's its use, man?
I'm telling you about that. If bullet comes, then it will automatically shift to the front side. And it will spread like a big sheet.
Okay.
And all the bullets, they will get hit from that and your aeroplane will be saved. And now, और कोई स्पेशल फीचर था क्या इसका?
नहीं यार बोल रहे बस.
Focus on this wing. These are its wings. Cockpit. Ganta cockpit. These are its wings. These are the largest wings of an aeroplane ever. Please note that point. These are the largest wings of an aeroplane ever. And now, this is the cockpit, especially designed for this ejection. If pilot sits on the seat, na, he will automatically get ejected. Actually, this aeroplane has an autopilot system. So, अरे इधर फोकस करना. उधर क्या है? इधर is the ejection seat. That thing. Can you watch that?
Cockpit.
That is. Actually, it is a anti-stop ejection. Now there is a autopilot system is the best. है ना?
How does it work, man? The autopilot system.
To demonstrate that, na, if a pilot goes into this cockpit, na, he will be automatically ejected out, and the autopilot will get over. And now, please come in. Zoom in, please. So these are the guns.
Missile launchers.
No, actually these are not missile launchers. They are Manchurian ball launchers. These guns used to launch Manchurian balls.
Okay. So are these Manchurian balls tasty or?
No, actually, they used to they will just smash up in the windscreen of the
Aeroplane.
of the aeroplane.
And the enemies got distracted.
That will be flying that aeroplane. He will find that it's so tasty and he will suddenly got excited.
Okay, that's all enough.
That was the concept of this Manchurian ball gun.
Okay, that's enough. Bye, take care.